Yo guys, what's going on? This weekend we are in the Outer Banks. We are staying in Kill Devil Hills at the Sea Ranch Resort. Today we're going to be exploring the Wright Brothers National Monument, and then later on we're going to be going for a sunset mission to the Bodie Island Lighthouse. And then after that we're going to be waking up at about midnight because the conditions look pretty clear, so we're going for a Milky Way mission. So we're here at the Wright Brothers National Monument. I just want to take a moment to say this is our first trip with the brand new Audi. Now this isn't really that big of a national park area, but it is really cool because it pays tribute to Orville and Wilbur Wright, who are the Wright brothers that first flew December 17th, 1903. So really cool, right next to the monument, they actually have an airstrip. I wonder how much it is to go on one of these planes though. So now we're at the 1903 monument, and this looks absolutely epic. We're at this mini golf course in Kill Devil Hills, and they actually have a train that takes you to the course that you're going to play. So this place is called Professor Hacker's Lost Treasure, in case anyone was wondering. They have a bunch of locations, and it's actually a really awesome mini golf course. We're here at the Bodie Island Lighthouse. It's part of the Hatteras National Seashore. We're here for sunset right now, but I'm also scouting out some spots to get some absolutely epic Milky Way shots later on. We'll be back here around 7 o'clock. I'll be sure to include some of those pictures in here. So for our last night in the Outer Banks, we decided to come to Jockeys Ridge State Park. We're here for a sunset mission. Hopefully we see some really cool dunes here, get some nice light, and we're just going to explore this place. Wait until you see this incredible view. As you can see around me, this place is absolutely incredible. Everywhere you look, there's a beautiful dune. It just looks so awesome right now. So what's really cool about this state park is they actually have a hang gliding school here. I don't know where they take off from, but I imagine it's probably up that way. Well, it's starting to look like the sunset's going to be a washout, but this place is still absolutely incredible to explore. It's really hard running in sand.